So we have completed our media query for screen size. If the screen size is more than 992 pixel, all the CSS inside here in this block is going to apply. Okay? If the screen size is more than 992 pixel. Okay, no? So let's before that we have completed till navbar. Na? After navbar, we will be continuing all that code. Okay? We'll complete all that code today. Okay. So here we haven't designed this hero part now. So actually, this hero part is not looking good. And also we have to design these things also, these images. So let us complete first. We will complete this one. Okay, fitness, nutrition, and this one. So we will complete this one first of all. So so now let us start writing CSS for hero. I mean hero means this one. Okay, fitness, nutrition, this part. We are going to write CSS for that one. Okay. Hero. Okay. Just I'm giving a comment. So let us start. Let us see what is hero. Okay. Let us see. Hero is the main. Okay. Hero is a section. Okay. Class of the section. Okay. Hero. So first of all, we are what we are doing. We are applying CSS for this class. Okay. Hero for this section. Okay. Dot hero. Yes. So let us add some padding. Okay. Padding. Let us add some padding block, like 130 pixel and 80 pixel. So you guys may get confused. Okay, yeah, this padding. I will explain one thing. So there is this padding here. So it is going to have four values. Okay, one, two, three, four. Four different values. Okay, like uh, to put it simply. Let us assume there is a box. Okay, let us assume there is a box now. So for that box, there are four sides now. Okay, four sides. So four sides means let us assume like right side, left side, top, and bottom. So if you want to add padding right, okay. If you want to add padding left, we will be writing here. Okay, if you want to add, okay. Okay. So I will show here only. Okay, let us give this padding. So I will give padding like 200 pixel. Okay, so let us see what is going to happen. So inside this, as you guys can see, as you guys can see, like 200 pixel. We have given 200 pixel now. 200 pixel. That means the padding inside this one. Okay. Initially, how it look like this. When we add padding inside this section, the padding is added now. Okay, the space is added inside the section. Okay, so it is added totally. Okay, every side it has added every side. Next, so it is added. It had added every side now. So if I add 100 pixel like this here, 100 pixel, so it's going to change. Okay, okay, this 200 is applied for left side and right side. Okay, this 200 is applied for left side and right side. This 100 pixel is wait. I'll be saying once again. So the first value is like the first value is adding CSS for top and bottom. So the space is added at the top and bottom. Okay, this first one. Okay, top and bottom, 200 pixel, 200 pixel is added space, and this one, this 100 pixel, this 100 pixel is added left side and right side. Okay, 100 pixel of space is added left side and right side of right side inside the section. Okay, at the same time, we can also do like this also. Okay, like if I want to add 80 pixel, let us save this one. Okay, I have removed everything, adding everything. Let us add like 140 pixel. So what I will do, I will write 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Okay, next 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Okay, if I add some value here, like let us add, let us add like okay, like let us add a 100 pixel, like 100 pixel. So we will see where it is applying that padding. Okay, so it is applied at the top. Okay, as you guys can see, if I increase this padding to 200, here, see here the space will be increased. So the space is increasing now. So if a padding, we are adding four values like this. So these things, what they are representing. So if we add at the first, if we add values in first space, so what is going to do? The space will be added at top. If we add at second part, so what is going to happen is here the right side of the section is going to add space is added. Okay, let us assume here there is no space now. There is this small space only now. So if I am adding 100 pixel, what is going to happen? So the space is added, right side. Okay, next. After this, if I add space here, like around 150 pixel, at the bottom there is no space now. So now see, the padding is added. So bottom also the padding is added. So and coming to last one, if we add uh, here, like around we will be adding 180 pixel. So now the space is added left side. Okay, what is happening here? If we give values like this in the padding, so first one, if we give value at the first one, it's going to add space at the top. For the second one, it's going to add space at the right side, and for the third one, it's going to add space at the bottom, and the fourth one, it's going to add space at left side. Okay, so like this also we can add four values at the same time. I mean, if you want to add different values, so I want to add for margin top, I mean padding top, I want to have 200 pixel, like a padding left I want to have 180 pixel. So and also like 100 pixel for right, okay, padding right, and also 150 pixel for the bottom. Okay, for that purpose, we use this pairing like this also. So most of the cases use like this only. If you don't want to add any space, you can put it simply like this. Okay, you can put it 0 pixel. Okay, in that place. Okay, next, what is this thing? Okay, here we have given padding block now. So what this represents is this is top and bottom values. Okay, this is top and bottom values. This is left and right values. Okay, so these two things are going to work like this. If we add four values in the previous explained now, so it works like that. So these are different ways of adding spaces to the component. Next, like background repeat. Okay, we will add background repeat. Background repeat is nothing but sometimes what is going to happen if we add a image, if the image is image size is relatively less compared to the section. If the section size is bigger, but the image size is smaller, so it's going to repeat one after one. If there is multiple images will be coming in the same section, like same image is going to repeat multiple times. Okay. To avoid that mistake, what we will be doing is we are going to add this background repeat. Background repeat, we will be adding value no repeat. Okay. After this, background size. Okay, this is a background size. Okay, this is a background size. So what we will be doing, there are different values like auto, content, cover. Okay, so we will be giving cover. Okay, there will be some change here. You guys can observe it. Okay, as you guys can see what happened here. Okay, the size of the image is changed now. So for that purpose, we use this background size. If we change it to like content, what is going to happen? Let us see content. So it's become more smaller. Okay, it's become more smaller. Yeah, these are different properties. Like there is another thing also like fill, I think. So again, okay. So I think there are two properties for it. There is another thing called fill. Right? I don't know why it is not coming. So we will be adding background size as cover. Okay. Now it's look good. After that, let us add background position. So we are going to set the position of this image. Okay. So we are going to set position of the image, not center. So we'll be adding 25%. Okay. We'll be adding 25%. Let us save. So there is, as you guys can see, the image moved somewhat left side. Okay, once again, I will comment this one and I will save. So the image is the leaf is more visible now. So after adding this background position 25%, what is going to happen is the image is moves to somewhat left side. Okay? Let us see. So the image is moved to left side. As I hope is it visible? I think. Okay. So for that purpose, we are using background position. Okay. Okay, next, we will be doing styling for like a title, okay, hero subtitle. Okay, hero subtitle, we are going to style it. Okay, dot hero subtitle, subtitle. Let us give a color. Let us give it color. Uh, Color with blue, blue, color green with. See here, all the color is gray or black. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay, there is no change in anything. Okay, mistake. Okay, next we will be changing the font size of the hero subtitle. I think we are adding style to this thing. Okay, fitness and studio for this one we are styling right. Okay, next after this, let us add font weight. Okay, let us add font weight 700. Save. Next after this, sorry, here there is spelling mistake. That's why the we are unable to see the output. Okay, so as you guys can see here, there is a change in color. Here there is a change in color and it's become somewhat bold now. Okay, we are doing all these things we are doing here now. So it is uh, happening there. So next we are using this text transform. So what is the purpose of the this text transform is it's going to convert whatever the text is there. So if all the text is in small letters, so it's going to convert it to uppercase. Okay, if the all the like all the letters inside a word is small letters, it's going to convert to uppercase. If you want to convert uppercase letters to lowercase, we will be using this text transform. Okay, text transform. It has a value of uppercase. So let us save. Okay, all the small letters is changed into uppercase letters, and also at the same time we can also do like this also. We can also convert all those things to lowercase also. Okay, all the things is converted into lowercase. Right now we need uppercase. So we use text transform for that purpose. Okay, next we will be adding. Okay, next we will be adding line spacing. Okay, line spacing. Sorry, letter spacing. We'll be adding letter spacing. The space between the letters. Okay, we'll be giving 1 pixel. Let us see. We can observe any change. So the space is added. Some little space is added. Okay, I will zoom here once again. So I will remove this one and I will see. So there is very nearby. These letters are somewhat very near to each other. So if I add letter spacing 1 pixel, it's going to see. So that is not that much difference. So I will be adding 10 pixel. You can see. So now the space is more. Na? You can see. So this is the purpose of letter spacing. We will be adding space between letters. Okay, now the subtitle is done. So next we will go for hero title. Okay, hero title means I think this one, this live should be that one. So dot hero title. So we are adding color. Okay, we are adding color, and also so there is no need of writing all this CSS. Let's remove this one, and we have to add simply margin block, margin block, margin block, like 16 pixel for top and bottom, and 30 pixel for left and right. Okay, margin block, let us save. So here it's become somewhat good looking. After this, as you guys can see, the space is added between top and bottom and left and right. Once I will comment this one and see, it's looking like this now. Once we add this margin block 16 pixel, 30 pixel, what is happening? The space is added between top and bottom, and at the same time left and right also. Okay, the space is added here, the top and bottom. Next, after that, let us style hero text. Okay, hero text. Style hero text. So here we'll be adding color. We'll be adding color. So color would be uh, where okay, black chocolate. Okay, I think this one. I think this one we are doing styling for this one. I think. Okay, but it is not visible for us. After that, I'll be adding some font size. Font size with variable fs. We are taking f6. Okay, fs6. Okay, the size is reduced now. Here the size of the letters has decreased, as you guys can see. For this, when we apply this font size to FS6, the size is decreased. Okay, the size has decreased now. Okay, after that, let us add some font weight around 600 to make it bold. Okay, we will also see that one. It is looking like this when I save. So it became somewhat bold. Okay, let us add some margin to button. Okay, let us add some margin to this start course. Okay, dot hero dot button, and let us add margin margin block. Just add margin block of 20 pixel. Okay, of 20 pixel. So let's see what is going to happen. So the margin is added around this start course. Okay, this the space is added around this start course. So I mean margin. Okay, outside the button, not inside the button. Okay, margin is always add space outside the element. Next will be uh, designing hero only. Let us add hero dot is, okay, dot is this social wrapper, social list, display effects items. Now we are designing this part. Okay, we are connect contact with us. We are designing that one. Let us see. Save. So it's become it is actually it's looking like vertically now. All these icons are in vertical direction. Now it became horizontal direction. Why? Because we add a display flex and align item center, and also we added gap a gap with 15 pixel. Okay. Next, we'll be styling social title. So we will be styling this connect with us. So dot hero dot social link. I mean social link, I think so. Sorry, social title. Okay, social title. Social title. We will be adding color. Okay, color. The color would be black chocolate. Okay. It is looking gray color now. Let us see. So color is changed to dark chocolate. Okay. Next, after that, we are adding font size uh, variable F6. Okay. Let us save. The size has decreased. After that, let us add some font weight. Okay, for font weight of 600. Okay, let us save. So the font weight is also added. So we have styled this social title also. Next, we are going to style this icon segment. So dot hero dot social link. So for social link, I will be adding font size. Will be changing font size to 14 pixel. Okay, so the size of the icons is going to be changed. I think so right now. Okay, it's become somewhat down. I will be adding 15 pixel. Let us see what is going to happen. This is the there is a change in size now. If I add 50 pixel, it's going to going it's became big now. So let us give it original style 14 pixel. Okay, 14 pixel. After that, let us add padding. Okay, padding. If we add padding 10 pixel, it's going to apply left, right, bottom and top. All it's going to add padding to all sides. Okay, if we add only padding, let us see. The padding is added. Okay, next after this, let us add a border. Okay, let us add border. Okay, let us understand what is this border. Okay, we will be adding 1 pixel. So this is the thickness of the border. Next, we will be adding style. Okay, style of the border. After that, we will be adding which color. Okay, which color should be added. Variable, okay, blue color. Okay, let us save and check. So now the border is added. Okay, now. So this, if we change like this, the thickness of the border will be changed. That it is the thickness of the line is very small now. For 1 pixel, it look like this. If we add 10 pixels, it's going to look like this. So for 10 pixel, it's going to look like this. I will remove this. Okay, it's going to change the thickness. Okay, next, what is this solid? This is a style of the border. Okay, let us add dotted. There is also dotted style. Let us save. So it look like this. Okay, different types of styles. I mean, borders styles also we can do. So we will be using solid only. Save. So it's done. We have styled that one also. And also we add some border radius. So to add border radius is nothing but there are these corners now. These corners. If you want to make round off these corners, so we will be using border radius. Okay, border radius 50%. Save. So this became like this. Okay, if we add border radius, like as you guys can see, if I add 10% border radius, it's going to look like this. If I add 20% border radius, the corners, okay, the corners are going to become round, okay, as we increase the percentage. Okay, next, okay, border radius purpose is like that. Okay, next we will be adding transition. Okay, transition. Okay, like the transition is not happening here. After this, let us add these properties. Okay, for this social link, so we are adding this hover and focus. Okay, like for the background color should be changed to green color. The next color should be white. Okay, let us see what is the difference. When we hovering it, it's going to change now. So background color is changing to green, and the icon color is changing to white. Okay, that is the purpose of this color and background color, like this. Okay, like this. So if you remove this, it's going to look like this. Even though if we take our cursor to this icon, it's not going to happen anything. After applying this style, we can see like this. All these things are happening. Okay, next. After this, it's the end of the it's the end of the hero. Okay, I think it's looking very beautiful, right? Okay, okay, now we have styled all this hero part. Next, we will be styling this one. Okay, we will be styling this one. Okay, let us style. So it is about services. What are the services they are providing? Services, services. Okay, let us start styling this part. So let us style service card. Okay, first we will start styling this. Get a this HTML part. Here there is this thing now. Uh, this is section hero. This is service. Okay, section service. So we are styling this card. I mean, this card means this one. Okay, this whole thing we are styling now. Let's start it. Service, service card, service card. So we will be adding padding. Okay, padding inline for 25 pixel, 25 pixel. Okay, the padding is added. Okay, padding is added. I mean space. Next, after that, we will align text. Okay, text align, text align, center. Save. So the text is aligned at center. So text align works like this. If you want to move all the text at a particular, I mean, particular section or particular box. So what we will be doing is we will be adding this property text align center, or if you want to move it to left side. So it's going to move all the text to left. And if you want to move all the text to right side, we will be using like this, right? So all the text is moved to right. So this is the purpose of this test element. Okay, next we will be putting it to center. Okay, the text is at center. After that, let us style this one. Okay, style this icon. Okay, we'll be writing dot service card. Okay, dot service card. Dot service card. So we'll be designing that card icon. Card. icon. Sorry, here I forgot to put dot. Okay, let us service card icon. So let us add position. Okay, position, position, like a relative, relative. That position. This position relative. After this, the background color. I will be adding this background color. So I will be explain this concept. What is the position? So let us assume that the position is relative. Yeah, right now I cannot explain. If there is diagrams, means I can explain. So we will understand like this, okay, practically. So I am adding top, okay, top like around 50 pixel. I am adding, okay. So this icon is going to move some. See, it's going to move downward. So it's moved downward now. If I add 500 pixels, see the icon moves to there. So the icon is moved to here. Okay. So like that, the position of the means we are changing the position of the that particular element. Like if you add top 500 pixel, like I will be adding like this. Okay, 200 pixel. So if I add left side now, if I add left, if I add left as a 300 pixel, okay, it's going to move that side. Okay, it's going to move like this. So if I add like a right, okay, right. If I remove left one, left and add right, right. Like if I add right 100 pixel only, so it's going to move towards that side. So wait, okay. Right now, because of the screen, we are unable to see. Okay, this is how we change. So, what is the difference between this margin and this position is? So, margin, like if we add space, it's going to be fixed. Okay, it's going to affect other elements also. Okay, if we add margin, it's going to it's going to affect other elements. But coming to this position, it is not going to affect other whatever the elements connected to it. You know, so there won't be any disturbance inside this position. I mean, this particular element if we add anything position. So for that purpose, we use this position. Yeah, there is another thing also, absolute also there, fixed also there. So here we have fixed this one now. Yeah, this is called fixed. We have the position of this neighbor we have fixed. So I mean at the top we have fixed. So that is called position fixed. Now we will be adding background color like where we will be adding cultured. Okay, so here the background color is added, and after that, I would like to add maximum width, maximum content. Okay, next, margin inline auto. So I am not giving any particular values for margin. I am making it auto. Okay, it's become center. Okay, after this, I would like to add padding. Okay, padding about 40 pixel, 40 pixel. Okay, it's the space is added inside. Yeah, after that, I would like to add border radius. Okay, border radius of 50% to make it like look like circle. Okay, after that, let us add margin block end. Okay, let us add block end, margin block end of 40 pixel. Okay, margin block end of 40 pixel. After that, let us add overflow. Overflow hidden. If there is any overflow, we are going to make it hidden. After that, overflow is nothing but if that there is more content, there is more content, but the size of the section is small. We will be using this overflow hidden property at that time. Okay, next after this transition, I think I explained what is a transition. Okay, where transition one. Okay, so let us see, refresh and see what is this transition. Okay, this is the transition applied here. Okay, next after that we are adding z index. Okay, z index is 1. Let's save this file. Okay, next after this we will be styling service card. Okay, we'll be styling service card. Okay, service card, card icon, card icon, card icon. So what we are doing is we are simply adding before and after properties. So it's like first I want to show it normally. If I move cursor on that thing, it's going to show another properties like that. So here also something like that we are doing with the help of this before. So before it look like this, after it's going to look like this. These are the purpose of this before and after. Okay. Let us add before. So what we'll be doing is, and also there is after also. So this before, comma, service card, dot service card. Okay, dot after. So I will be removing this thing. I add content empty. So the content will be empty if there is any content. Okay, next I am going to add position. Position as absolute. Means the position should be fixed, or I mean it's going to look like this. Okay, top left and 0, top left 0. Okay, right also should be 0. I mean, to avoid unnecessary disturbance in UI, we are adding all 0. Okay, the image should be like that only. Okay, next we will going to add border radius. Okay, border radius of 50%, 50%. Let's say uh, after this, we'll be adding transition. Okay, where one. So let us see what is going to happen in the transition. Okay, it's not much. We cannot observe that one. So after that, I am giving a z index of -1. Okay. So after this, let us there is something like green color will be there. So for that one, we are doing like this. Okay, we will be a doing something. Okay, service card, card icon before. So what we are doing is here we have added similar same properties to before and after. So now we are only doing some changes here. Okay. So for before we are only doing some changes, and after also we are going to do some changes. So now I am going to add background color. Okay, background color. For that we are using variable. Okay, variable, and we will be adding blue green. Okay, blue green color wheel. After that, let us see. So it's become like that. Okay. So before it looked like this. So after that, what we are I am doing is I am transform. Actually, it should not be scale. It should be translate. Okay. What I am doing is I am going to move this green color to bottom. Okay. Translate Y. Okay. In the direction of Y, I am going to move that one. So how many pixels? 120 pixels. So it's going to come down. So it's came down now. So if I use like 50 pixel, okay, it look like this. Okay, if I add in a transform in x direction, like transform uh, translate x. So if I add 20 pixel like this, it's going to move somewhat left side, I think, left side or right side. So it's more like this. Okay. So these things are happening. If I add more like a 50 pixel, so it's more like this. So this is how we use this transform. Okay. Let us add 120 pixel here. We'll change it to 120 pixel. 120 pixel. Save. So it's going to look like this. So after that, we are also going to add another thing also, like this. Okay, service card, card icon after. Okay, after how it should like. So the color is like this, blue green color, and it should be around minus 120 pixel. We will see what is going to happen. Like so. Oh, okay. The at the top also this color is added. Okay, no? So, I mean this thing is added at the top also. I mean, what is happening is like before means, so there is this section, na? So I want to add something before, okay, and add something after. So we are going to use these things, okay. With the help of this before and after, we are going to use, with the help of these properties only, we are going to use apply CSS, okay, before and after to different elements. Next. Hmm. Let us add hover. I mean, if I hover on this, there should be something. Okay, for that purpose, what we will be doing, service card to service card is is let us hover hover. We will add hover, and at the same time focus also. We'll be adding focus. Focus should be within. Okay, focus should be within. Focus should be within. Next, and also we are going to add active. Okay, to active also. So after that, what we will be doing is uh, we'll be writing like this. Okay, dot card icon before. Okay, before it is going to add. We are going to add transform translate y. We are going to add transform translate y. Means it should be zero, I think. So let us see what we have there. It's thing is happening. We have written any spelling mistakes. I think. What? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, like this, as you guys can see, it's happening like this. Okay, it's happening like this. So this is the thing we have done. Let us also do it same thing for, you copy this one, and we will write same thing for after one after also. I am going to change it to after, not after. So here we need to change the uh, value. Here 120 pixel. We'll change it to 120 pixel. Let us say. Uh, so this is how it's going to look. Okay. Okay. And after this, okay, after this, mm, we'll be adding some transition to it. Service card. Okay. To card icon. Okay. Next image. To this image, we are styling this one. Like we are adding some transition, like variable transition one. Okay, transition one will be added. Transition one. Okay, done. So now it's only applying for center one. It's not showing for the top and bottom. Sorry. Okay, okay. It's like that only. So let us see and do more striding. After this, mm, let us add service card, and we are going to add hover again also. Again also we are going to add hover like this. Okay, for that image, like we have added hover focus within active, and for which thing we are adding card icon. Okay, inside that card icon we are adding that image, like this image. There is some image inside now, so to that we are adding this one. Okay, what we are adding is uh, like it should not be this one, so remove filter. Okay, we are adding filter. So you guys know, I hope everyone, what is the meaning of this filter. Like as you guys can use more Snapchat, I think. So see, it is also that one only. So I am adding some grayscale. Okay, grayscale is around one, and I am adding some and making brightness to 0. Okay, let us see. So you can see now, see here that image what is happening here. Okay, after this, what I am doing is I am adding one other thing, invert with value of 1. Save. So what is happening? So we have changed okay, no problem. So we have designed this thing. Okay, to make it visible, what we have done is here we made it like this. We have added filter. Okay, to make sure that icon is visible to everyone. After this, uh, for this, let us style H3. Okay, service card, service card, service card, service card dot H3. Okay, so I am changing. I am going to add font size. Okay, for this one, I am going to add only font size. Okay, font FS 4 2.41. Okay, and adding it this thing here. Okay, next after this, so I am going to style that card title to add some transition. I am adding some transition to card title. Is card service card dot card title. So for this card title, I am adding some transition. Okay, transition variable transition one. Let us save and see what is this transition. So now you can see what is happening here. Okay, like that. It's happening like that. Once again, I will be refreshing. So this transition we are unable to see because I don't understand what is happening here. Hmm. Let us add some other things also to card title. Okay, service card. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to cut this one and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Service. card. Inside that service card title. For that card title, we are adding this override. Okay, the color should be orange. Color should be orange. Orange well. Just save. So let us see when we are covering it's working or not. So it's not working. Should be working. So, okay, now it's working. Like see, we have added that hover effect now. So it's going to change the color when we take our cursor to there. Next, after this, we are going to add, we are going to style somewhat a card text also. Like this lorem ipsum is there now. So we are going to style that one. So service card text, and we are adding some color like here the color is gray, I think. The color is gray. We are changing it to dark chocolate, and we are also adding this, I mean, changing this font size. And also we have added some font weight also. So I think there is no need of this font weight. We will remove this one, and we will be adding this margin block. Here margin block with the 20 pixel top and sorry, left and right or top and bottom, 25 pixel. Okay, let us save this one. Okay. So what we have done is we have added this margin. So, so before margin, what it is somewhat near to this main course na title na. So after adding this margin, okay, it's added some spaces added like this. Okay, now it's going to look somewhat clear. Okay, neat. We have done this thing also, and there is one more last thing. So we have to style this button. Okay, dot. These buttons are there in arrow marks. So we are going to style it like service card. So button. Side that. Let us add inline margin inline of let us auto. I mean, if we add this thing, all these things come to center. It should be coming to the center. We'll be adding font size, font size of 18 pixel, font size of 18 pixel. Sorry, we have a this spelling mistake. So they move to center. Okay, the font size also changed to 18 pixel, and let us add padding zero, padding zero, and also let us add maximum width, give it a maximum width of 60 pixel, maximum width of 60 pixel. Okay, so it's look like this now. After this, what we will be doing is we will be giving a height of 60 pixel. Okay, the height is increased. After that, uh, okay, let us add display grid. So what is going to do is place item center. So whatever the content is inside this box, it's going to come to the center. Okay, that is the purpose of this display grid place item center. Okay, till here we have done. Okay, let us see our beautiful output. So this is how after styling this thing it look like. Let us refresh. Okay, I think there are some other things also we need to take care. So, so something missing, I think so. So we will do all the things tomorrow. So we will wind up tomorrow all the CSS. Okay, rest of the I think around 500 lines are there. We will be doing rest of that tomorrow class. Okay, we will complete all the CSS, and from Monday onwards we'll be starting. Uh, we'll be starting